So I got my hands on the Infinix S5 Lite. This is the 4GB RAM version with 64GB of storage. It retails for 46,500 naira. This is my unboxing and review. If you haven't already, please click on that subscribe button. Out of the box, we have the same items that come with the Infinix S5: the phone, the customer service card, a SIM ejector tool, X-Club card, Infinix Care card, user manual, a film screen protector, rubber protective casing, a charging brick, a micro USB cable, and earphones. That's pretty much everything inside the box. The S5 Lite has nice design and build quality, which is quite different from the S5. The design and camera specifications are the only differences from the S5. The internals are basically the same. It has a 60 megapixel front facing camera and triple camera setup at the back with quad LED flash, no ultra wide. The S5 Lite has a squarish design at the back as opposed to the curved finish on the S5. At the bottom of the phone, you have a speaker grill, a micro USB port, mic, and headphone jack. On the right side, we have the volume rocker and power keys, and at the top there is nothing. The left side houses a 4G dual nano SIM card tray which supports micro SD card. After setup, you have XOS with ads and bloatware as K constant. The S5 series lack adaptive brightness, and this is because the light sensor is missing, probably sacrificed for adoption of the hole punch design, a poor choice in my opinion. The device runs on Android 9 Pie coated with XOS 5.5. The S5 Lite has face unlock and fingerprint for security, but the fingerprint sensor works just fine, though not as fast as the S5, but fast enough. It has a 6.6-inch 720p LCD display with a hole punch which is cut out for the camera, which makes for good viewing experience when using it for media consumption. The RAM management here is actually good. The 4 gigs of RAM is holding up quite well for running apps in the background and launching up apps smoothly. There are no lags. It also does okay for multitasking. The PowerVR GPU handles itself quite well for gaming, but this is not a gaming device. The Infinix S5 Lite runs PUBG Mobile on low graphics settings without any lags. It also runs Asphalt 9 quite well with good enough graphics. These are the only two games I tested. The S5 Lite has a triple rear camera setup. It doesn't have the ultra wide or macro lens like the S5. The rear camera takes decent photos, and the selfie camera, to my surprise, did quite well considering my experience with the S5. Portrait shots are okay, but it sometimes struggles with edge detection. Both the front facing and rear camera shoots in 1080p. Let me know your thoughts on the camera in the comment section. The S5 Lite has a 4000 mAh battery and it can go more than a day on a full charge. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. So, would I recommend the Infinix S5 Lite? Yes, definitely, you can go for it. It has okay specifications for the price, but you may also want to check out the Redmi 8, which retails for 48,000 naira. That's it for this review. What do you think about the S5 Lite? Is there anything you think I missed in my review? Please leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.